Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Intex Pure Spa 4-person hot tub, accessory kit, and chemical kit. This Intex Pure Spa portable hot tub provides simple maintenance with two easy-to-replace filter cartridges for clean, refreshing spa water, and the built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin for a soothing experience. Made with durable fiber tech construction, including 48 fiber tech beams, the Pure Spa is also strong enough to take a seat on the side when all you need is a dip of your feet. This package also includes the Intex Pure Spa Maintenance Kit and Qualco at-home 3-month spa hot tub kit. Product benefits: pamper yourself in relaxing heated water surrounded by soothing bubble jets. The Pure Spa provides relaxation at the touch of a button for up to 4 people. The easy-to-use control panel activates the 120 high-powered bubble jets surrounding the interior of the spa for a refreshing massage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.